my channel. In today's video we are going to see Wick editor basics. So there are two versions of the Wick editor. One is the beta edition which we need to install in the computer, and one is the web edition. So we will search Wick editor on the Google and go to this site. I will just give the link in the description of this site, and if you want to download and install the software, you can click download beta, and or you can simply click launch web editor and just click on that right. And why the beta is used, let me tell you. So if in case we want the video that's only available in the beta, it creates the mp4 file and it also has the sound. And this is called the timeline, and these are the canvas options, and this is the drawing toolbar, and this is the access for the header. And first we will start with the header. There are the options: new, open, export, and the save, and the settings. So in the settings we should set it before, uh, and we can set the name of the project. I will simply set name of my channel, and then this is the background color. I will say set it as orange, and this is the width and the height. We can also set from here like default, and the square means it will be in the square 600 by 600, and 720p means HD and 4K. So I will keep it on default. And the frame rate, I usually like to keep it in between 15 and 20. So I will just type here 15 and I will say apply. Okay. So this is our settings applied. So if you want to see the project name, here it is. And here are the tools. So in the drawing toolbar, there are a cursor and there is the shortcuts. For the cursor is C, and brush is B, means the starting letter of the tools, and pencil and eraser and rectangle and ellipse. Here ellipse means a circle, line, and then path cursor means we can just make an path in the shapes. And here is a text tool and fill bucket and eyedropper. These are the tools that we usually use. And I will start with the brush, and if I just draw something not special, and here you can see the Wick just customizes it. I will and here are the shortcuts for the undo and redo. So in case if I want to delete it, I can just select it, and here is the delete option. And if I want to undo it, I can just click here and redo it. So I will redo it for now, and I will just take a rectangle and draw it here. So I will select this rectangle and I will just bring it in center. And these are the tools for the scaling. So, or if you want to rotate it, we can use this tool, means this square, and for scaling you can use these dots. And I will just rotate it a bit up. And after that, if we click somewhere right here, it adds the keyframe. And here's the canvas. If we want to play the project, we can play it and pause it and recenter the canvas, zoom out, zoom in, and pan, and then onion skin. What does onion skin does? You can see right here. If I want to see the things, I will just disable it. And here's the layer. If we want to add a layer, and I will just add something right over here, similarly like that. For example, if you want to make a car, we can use it. I will just delete it. You can also use delete key for deleting. And the finally we'll see new. What it does, it creates a brand new project. And the open, it will help to open a project and export. So in export there are three options, And what does images do, if you are wondering? It just exports all the keyframe by keyframe in form of images. You can save the project right here. As you can see, the file extension is .wick, and everything we have just seen it. And one more thing we have to see is assets library. We can just add some assets like this, or we can just upload it by files, images, and that all stuff. So this was all in the Wick editor basics and the uses. So thanks for watching. Bye.